Hey there, Misty Darling here from Be Better DSM, Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Innovations. So I'm hearing a lot of buzz right now about price reductions. Nationwide, around 42% of homes are needing to have their price changed after they hit the market in order to find a buyer. And price reductions can be intimidating. It can create strife with your seller, but so often it's extremely necessary in order to get a home, to get an acceptable offer. So my suggestion, don't use the words price reduction when talking to a seller. What I think happens when you use the word price reduction is a seller goes to, you said I could price my home at this price. And now you're saying I need to price at this price. So you took this money from me, when in reality, the market price they started at was unrealistic. The best way to get a seller on the same page as you is to use the term reposition on the market. Now, what I like to do is hold a strategy meeting with the seller. We look at the MLS, we look at what homes have accepted an offer since their home hit the market, what are the features, how is the pricing, and then we look at what are they actively competing against right now. And I say, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, looking at what we're competing against, what do you think is the place where you can see yourself repositioning your home in order to obtain a buyer? The key is you're helping guide them through the process with your market vision and market expertise instead of making it about their home and what's wrong with their home and why they're not able to get the price they originally wanted. Guiding them through this creates a more collaborative experience and positions you with your expertise. So if you'd like to do a strategy session sometime with me to talk about this or other real estate issues you might have, feel free to hit me up.